We start our month getting ready for Easter with a great tip from Tess Grace from the Arty Crafty Place for making cards. And then Gail Penberthy shows us how to make some fabulous wreaths, which can be hung inside or out. Plus this great little idea for making Easter boxes to hide the Easter chocks in. And you get to use up some wadding and fabric scraps. Following on from the promotion of her book Cathedral Windows, New Views, Vendulka Battais gives us a very comprehensive workshop to make this traditional patchwork her way, and will be offering kits so you can make a quick start. Our knitting expert Daphne Morris shares with us the importance of blocking your knitting to get the perfect fit and finish. And Nancy Adamek brings us part 2 of her English paper piecing Tudor Rose Table Runner series. Kate Findlay is in the studio showing us how to make these charming lavender bags, which include simple embroidery which the younger generation can also help with. And Lorna Bateman is demonstrating some crazy patchwork embroidery on these lovely pin cushions. Our Technique Thursday for April features Jennie Rayment showing us how to use this double wedding ring template from Easy Quilting. Valerie Nesbitt has a brand new workshop called Crossing Sashing, creating these lovely quilt designs using only 3 fabrics and some simple piecing. And we have a brand new video from Paula Doyle on upcycling and recycling, which, as it's hot off the press, is still in production as we make this trailer. Finally, we want to tell you about some brand new films we've made in collaboration with Janome. As the first series of I Didn't Like to Ask videos proved so popular, we made 11 more, all demonstrating how to use different stitches on your sewing machine to make beautiful effects, all designed to answer the questions we didn't like to ask, and hosted by Valerie Nesbitt and Jane Brogan. And we're also launching a new longer form video series this month, The Makers Studio. Each episode of The Makers Studio will feature one of the UK's leading textile artists, who will walk us through how to make their specialist project in our studio, with host Faye Hatcher and experts Valerie and Jane. Our first episode features textile artist Dionne Swift. You'll be riveted while watching Dionne demonstrate how she makes the sewing machine draw. Her needle becomes the pen and the thread becomes the ink. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.